Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to contact trip.com customer service. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official trip.com website or launch the trip.com mobile app on your device. Next, sign in to your trip.com account using your email address or your preferred sign-in method. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main homepage where you can book hotels, flights, trains, car rentals, airport transfers, attractions, and vacation packages. If you're using the website, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Help button. This will open the customer support page where you'll find several support options. You can browse the frequently asked questions to quickly find answers to common issues such as booking changes, refunds, payments, or account related concerns. If you still need assistance, select the category that matches your issue and start a live chat with Trip.com's customer support team. Simply describe your problem, and a support representative will assist you as soon as possible. You can also access support for your existing bookings by selecting your reservation and requesting help directly from the booking details page. And that's it. That's how you can contact trip.com customer service whenever you need assistance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.